If you are a buyer in the market for a new home, have you wondered whether living in the suburbs or rural areas is more affordable than living in the city? Hi, I'm Cheryl Fowlkes with eXp Realty and Superior Town and Country Group. Well, let's break it down, as the answer might shock you. While most urban dwellers assume that moving to the suburbs or rural area may offer more space, affordability, and oftentimes that is not the case. According to Hannah Jones, Chief Economist Analyst at Realtor.com, while buying in the suburbs may translate to savings on housing, it is also important to consider the whole picture if you're hoping to save money on the move. In fact, Realtor.com listing data is showing that 65 of the 100 largest metro areas nationally were more expensive than the urban homes. This is because there may be some hidden costs associated with suburban and rural living that as a buyer you're not aware of. So what may some of these costs be? One big cost is commuting. It is important to factor in your commuting costs if your job is in the city and you're 45 minutes out in the suburbs. Accounting for gas, public transportation is crucial in these costs, and they can add up monthly. What about entertainment? Sometimes suburban or rural areas do not offer entertainment, and you need to travel to more urban areas for any kind of entertainment, which means higher gasoline prices, wear and tear on your vehicle. Or maybe you're moving further inland with a hotter microclimate during the summer months. This may mean an increase in your monthly utility bills. And finally, maybe that larger house you're eyeing in the suburbs comes with a more costly repairs due to its size. These are all things to consider when deciding as a buyer where to buy and what your budget can really afford. It is best to always look at the whole picture as you make this important decision on your investment. If you're interested in learning more about the local area, please reach out to my team and I so that we can help you make an informed decision on your purchase. I'm Cheryl Fowlkes, and when you do what you love, people love what you do. Give us a call.